Hey Jacob, are you ready to do the juicer?
Yep.
Okay, you gonna show Daddy how to do it?
Turn it on, right?
Tell him to turn it on.
Turn on.
Okay.
See?
You only have to use that if it.
Okay.
Show Daddy what you. Let Daddy try too. You gotta show him how to do it.
Let me do it. Can I put one in there?
Yep.
Okay.
I got a big one. This ain't the hole.
That's like Captain Hook.
This ain't the hole.
Put some of the fruit in there.
Put some of the fruit. The kiwi and the orange and the apple. Put it in there. It's slippery.
It's slippery.
Get some orange. Come on, get some orange and apple.
What is apple?
Right there.
Right here. This is a bigger one.
You go, it's just slice. Go ahead. Put it in there. Put it in there. You gotta put something in, buddy. You can't let it wait. You gotta put the orange in there. Put the orange in there.
You gotta show Daddy how to do it. He's never done it before.
You're not done it before.
No, I've not done it before.
You find one.
Oh, put it in there, buddy.
You find one.
Let me try one.
That's a baby.
Okay, save the carrots for the end.
Okay.
Save the
those
carrots for the end.
Put-
Okay.
Put the rest in it. Put the rest in it, buddy.
Show me what what is that?
Oh.
Oranges?
Put it in there. Put it in there. Yes, that's broccoli. Keep going. Put it all. Get it all, buddy.
Oh, you gonna put the broccoli in?
What is this?
It's okay. Stuff it in there.
I really
Save it.
this.
Honey, it's not gonna.
You told me not to let it sit.
I really this.
You wanna do that one? Let's not do that one yet.
Why?
Because you just put it down. Put the only stuff that's in the bowl. What's that?
Did I see?
Hey, come on. Keep going.
Put the rest in there.
I oversee.
Okay. Put it in there.
See?
Keep going.
Jacob, look at the juice coming out. Look at the apple juice coming out.
Don't put your finger in. Don't put your finger in. Put it in there. Come on, squirrel. Go. Okay, alright, sorry.
Put the rest of that bowl in, then you can put the other carrots in. Did you put the pineapple in yet? This is slippery. That's gonna make your juice taste yummy. Uh-oh. Okay, do the rest of the carrots and then we'll be all done.
I'm done. Almost I'm done. I'm done.
All right, time. You did a good job.
Oh, no, not anybody.
You did a good job. Are you ready to drink it? What's gonna happen when you drink your juice? What's gonna happen? You're gonna get bigger?
I'll be bigger than Daddy. Mommy, you'll be bigger like me.
I'll be little like you and you'll be bigger like Daddy? That sounds good. Can you say,
You'll be bigger like me. You'll be, Mommy be little.
Mm-hmm.
Maya be bigger. You'll be bigger.
Yeah.
both of us will be bigger. You will be little.
I'm gonna be little?
Like a baby.
Like a baby. Can you say bye-bye to the computer?
Bye.
Say
See you later.
See you later.
Have
Take it easy.
This is easy. Pretty.
Say have a good day.
I today.
Say I love you all.
I love you all.
I said juice it up.
Just a